Welcome student, this is the project of class 9. I am Chandrachur Paul. The project is how to run your school canteen. Okay, the project will be done on the hardcover. This is for class 9 project. So at the top you will write ICSC project, then you will write class, section, your name. So ICSC project, class, section, name at the top. It's on hardcover. Okay, in the first page you will write your topic, that is how to run your school canteen. Okay, second page onwards the project will be divided into 6 parts. The parts are acknowledgement, content, introduction, body, conclusion and bibliography. I will tell you what you will write in the particular parts. For the acknowledgement, first part, you will start like this: the humble canteen is a great revenue raiser for any school, no matter shape or size. You can start in this way. Okay, then you will write all the usefulness of the canteen and to whom you are relate with this project or not. Okay, you can relate this with this project, those person who are running the canteen. Or if you don't want to, you will say that by this project I don't want to hurt anyone's emotions, like this. Okay, what you will write in the journal, in normal acknowledgement. Okay, it depends on you, it's your project, so you have to do many things. The acknowledgement you will write, I am just helping you how you will write the acknowledgement. Okay, this way you can start the acknowledgement. Okay, the next part is content. In content you will put whatever you have in your project, that means the page wise, page number, whatever you have. Then comes third part, that's the introduction of the project. Okay, over there you will write aim of your project. By this project, what is your aim? That means how you will run the canteen, the amount you are having at the beginning of the month. Okay, the amount you earn at the month. Okay, the total profit. What is your aim by this project? Okay, if someone follows this project, what will be his usefulness following this project? Okay, that means by this project what you want to actually get out, the things. Now the fourth part is the body. Body means over here you will write all the calculations. Calculation is, first thing is the item you bought on a daily basis. That means for your canteen, what will be your menu, you have to fix that. So menu is also part of there. So on the basis of that menu, what you need to buy. Suppose you are having samosas, so for that you need to buy flour, you need to buy potato, you need to buy all the spices to make the samosas. Okay, so all you need to put there, whatever you want to keep the daily basis. In canteen you are having chips, you are having cold drinks, you have cakes, so you can buy it and you can sell it. So keep in your mind, whenever you are buying in the lesser price and you are selling on the higher price, so that you have a particular gain, but your gain must be less than 10%. Don't show your gain higher than 10%, it is not possible. Okay, don't show your gain 25%, 30%, not possible. Actual, in the practical world it's not possible. So keep your gain under 10%. Okay, now the items you have bought on daily basis, you have to make a chart on this. You will write here items, you will write all the things, potatoes, then you will write whatever you are buying, chips, cold drinks, then you will write milk, tea, whatever the price and how much amount you have, how much quantity you are buying, you will write everything in one page. This is the first page. Done. Then comes second one, the wage, means the people you are hiring over there, the cooks, the waiters, electrician, whoever wants to, you want to keep in your canteen. Okay, the daily wages you are giving them. Okay, then comes the third part. Third part is other things other than these two, whatever you need, means the maintenance charge, the electrical charge, whatever charge are there. Okay, in your canteen you will write in one page. So 1, 2, 3 pages are gone of the body. Fourth page come your menu, whatever menu you want to set. Keep in your mind whatever cost is a particular item. That means you are buying potato, you are buying flour, you are buying spices, you are making samosa on the basis of that. Okay, so keep in your mind the whole thing, the total price coming from there and the total pieces coming out from there. So you have to keep a gain. whatever your item cost, above all you have to keep something for your maintenance cost. That means whenever you are cooking samosa, there is a cost of cooking samosa also. That means the oil is there, the charge of cook is there. You have to keep everything in your mind. The total cost is coming this, so I have to keep each samosa's cost within this range, so that it is coming profit. It is your canteen, you are running the canteen, you have to think everything. Understood? So this is the body part. In the conclusion part, you will write the total expense and the total business and the gain you will have from everything over here. At last you will write bibliography. Over there, if you suppose you have taken help from someone, or I have helped you, so you can say there that I have taken help from this person. Okay, so this is your thing. Understood?